Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to prepare a simple traditional herbal drink made from purple grapes, neem leaves, cloves and brown sugar. First I have taken fresh purple grapes and I have washed them and placed them in a bowl. Now I am taking about 15 to 20 of these grapes. Purple grapes contain water, natural fruit sugars, vitamin C, vitamin K, and plant compounds called polyphenols. These are especially known for antioxidants such as resveratrol and anthocyanins, which help protect the cells from the oxidative stress. Next, cut each grape into two pieces. Keep the two halves slightly attached at one point. This helps the grape juice and the natural compounds mix more easily with the water, which I will add later. Next, I will add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and mix it gently with the grapes. Now, I am adding about 5 to 6 cloves. The cloves contain a natural compound called eugenol. They also contain antioxidants and have traditionally been used to support oral health and digestion. And the brown sugar provides carbohydrates that can supply quick energy. It also contains small amount of minerals, although the amounts are quite low. Now take a few fresh young neem leaves, wash them well and add them to the bowl. Now neem leaves contain various plant compounds including flavonoids and other natural substances that have been traditionally used in herbal practices. Neem has long been used in the traditional medicine for general wellness and hygiene purposes. Now, because these all ingredients contain antioxidants and other plant compounds, some people use drinks like this as a part of healthy lifestyle. Traditional use may include supporting general wellness, digestion, immune system regulation, and overall nutrition. However, it is important to understand that this drink is not a cure or treatment for any disease. It should not replace professional medical care, medications, or a balanced diet. Some precautions are also important. People with diabetes should be careful because grapes and brown sugar contain also sugars. Now, carefully pour about 1 cup of boiling water into the bowl and stir everything gently. Now, neem leaves should be used in moderation. Excessive consumption of neem may cause unwanted side effects in some people. Now, leave the mixture covered for about 1 to 2 hours. During this time, the water cools down and absorbs the natural flavors and plant compounds from the grapes, neem leaves, and cloves. Once the mixture has cooled, strain the liquid into a cup. The drink will have a purple greenish brown color. This traditional drink can be enjoyed occasionally in the morning as a part of a balanced diet. Now, the pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and individuals with medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before regularly consuming neem-based drinks. And people who are allergic to any one of these ingredients should avoid this drink. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and please keep visiting and watching my videos.